बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। ग्रेड 4 टुडे इज़ 18th June 2020 and the day is Thursday. It's our week 2 and we are studying on day 2 socio-technology. In socio-technology, under social studies, we are studying the topic the planet. We are studying the topic the planet. As we have read it previous, page number 8, and today we will study page number 9. Page number 9. Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars. Page number 9. Open page number 9 of socio-technology and we will study today Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Just a little larger than the moon. मून से थोड़ा बहुत बड़ा है, जबकि मरकरी एक छोटा सितारा है, प्लैनेट है. एंड इज़ द प्लैनेट क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन. और मरकरी, सन, ये सारे प्लैनेट जो हैं, ऑल दीज प्लैनेट्स रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन एंड मरकरी रिवॉल्व्स क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन. इट्स ऑर्बिट इज़ क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन at a distance of 36 million miles. At a distance of 36 million miles. And if we take in kilometers, so it will become 58 million kilometers. It is also the fastest planet, completing its orbit in 88 days. It is also the fastest planet. सबसे तेज़ तरीन प्लैनेट है जो अपना ऑर्बिट सबसे कम डेज़ में 88 डेज़ में कंप्लीट करता है. वाई? बिकॉज इट्स ऑर्बिट इज़ क्लोजेस्ट टू द सन एंड इट्स डिस्टेंस इज़ लेस. दैट्स वाई इट्स कंप्लीट इट्स राउंड इन लेसर टाइम. मरकरी हैज़ नो मून्स. नंबर नेक्स्ट इज़ वीनस. वीनस इज़ द सेकेंड प्लैनेट from the sun and our closest neighbor. Its second planet closest to the sun and our closest neighbor. It is near to the earth. It is similar in structure and size to earth. Venus spins slowly in the opposite direction most planets do. Most planets do if clockwise movement, so it's move in opposite direction, and if they move in anti-clockwise, so it will move in clockwise, so it behaves differently from other planets. Its thick atmosphere traps heat in a greenhouse effect, making it the hottest planet in our solar system. It is the hottest planet because it traps, it attracts the sunlight, so it becomes hotter. Venus also has no moons. As Mercury has no moons, Venus also has no moon. It is also known as the evening star. It is also known as the evening star. If anybody ask you that what is evening star, so you can say that it's another name for Venus. Venus is the second planet from the sun and our closest neighbor. You can say that evening star is the other name for Venus and Venus is the planet. Earth. Number 3 is Earth. Our home planet is the only one that has life. Life is only possible on Earth. It is the 5th largest planet in the solar system and is the only planet where water exists in liquid, gas and solid form. These three are state of matter. These three are state of matter. And water exists in these forms. Earth has no moon. Earth has one moon. Earth has one moon and is the biggest of the four planets, closest to the sun. Earth's atmosphere has plenty of oxygen for us to breathe, because there is water on Earth, there is oxygen on Earth. That's why life is possible on Earth. The other one is Mars. Mars, also known as the red planet. Mars is also known as the red planet. If anybody asks you what is the red planet, so you can say that Mars is the red planet. Mars is a dusty. There is dust on Mars. Its structure is dusty, cold, desert world with a very thin atmosphere. Mars has 2 moons. Now look at this. Mercury has no moon, Venus has no moon, Earth has 1 moon and Mars has 2 moons, and is remarkably similar to Earth as it has seasons, polar ice caps, weather, canyons and extinct volcanoes. Canyons means wadi, and extinct volcanoes. Volcanoes mean atish fishan. When the mountains becomes heat up, becomes hottest, so they burst out. So they burst out. So that is called volcanoes. It is also the most researched planet. Scientist has made lot of research at Mars planet. Understand? Other than Earth. Number 1, the most researchable planet is Earth, and the other is Mars. Understand? You will have to study, you will have to read out page number 8 and page number 9 as well by yourself. Understand? Thank you.